Join me as I take on the challenge of breaking free from debt and finding my way to financial freedom once and for all. In this video, we will explore practical steps to help you break free from debt and achieve the financial freedom you deserve. Many people struggle with debt, leading to stress and limiting their financial opportunities. Let's discuss why this issue is so prevalent. Debt can creep up on us, often as a result of living beyond our means or unexpected expenses. It's easy to get caught up in a cycle of borrowing to cover short-term needs, without considering the long-term impact. This cycle can be hard to break, but understanding its causes is the first step towards change. We'll explore proven strategies like budgeting, debt snowball methods, and increasing income streams to get you on the path to financial freedom. Budgeting helps you track where your money is going, allowing you to make conscious spending decisions. The debt snowball method involves paying off debts in a specific order, gaining momentum as you see debts disappear. Increasing your income, whether through a side hustle or asking for a raise, gives you more power to tackle debt. The key moment comes when you realize that taking small, consistent steps can lead to significant changes in your financial situation. It's about making a commitment to change, one step at a time. You start to see the light at the end of the tunnel when you make progress, no matter how slow. Celebrating these small victories keeps you motivated. To wrap up, remember that breaking free from debt is a journey that requires persistence and commitment. You have the power to take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my next video on smart investing strategies, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.